Lots of space for the price. A lot of the expensive maintenance items already done, ready for your paint colors and personal touch. Newer roof, metal siding, newer vinyl windows, most updated bathroom, hardwoods, Circle Drive. Close to everything, located right on 75th Street and close to Lamar. It's in a super accessible location to shopping, restaurants, highway, parks. The modern kitchen offers heated tile floors and a vaulted open ceiling. Formal dining room separate from living room. Fenced yard.